Hi everyone. I just wanted to share my little weekend favorite thing to do is bake homemade bread. I like to make, healthy whole wheat bread. So what I do is I use like regular whole wheat flour and unbleached bread flour. And when I mix it, I make like a batch with 7 cups of half and half. I just take, 3.5 of this one, 3.5 of that one. I store it in the refrigerator so it gets kind of cold. So I put it on the stove and then I heat it up till it's kind of warm. And then when I do the water mixture, what I do, I use reverse osmosis. I don't use tap water. So I take 3 cups of liquid measurement and I put it in a little saucepan. What I'll do is I'll add, like, I think it's about 3 teaspoons of powder, yeast powder, or 2 packets of yeast. And then first I warm it up, of course, but then I add the yeast with like about a 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup. And then with the dry ingredients, which is the 7 cups of flour, which is half and half, I add 2 teaspoons of salt, and then when the yeast is all bubbled, I add a little 1/4 cup of oil, and then I stir it all together. But before I do, with my spatula, I stir it. I oil my whole entire spatula and hands, so if anything gets on me or the spatula, it's a lot easier to wipe off. Then I kind of like let it rest for about an hour with a little plastic wrap on it and a towel in a warm place, which is on my patio porch. And then after that, I kind of divide it all up into loaves or the little biscuits I like to make. So just enjoy. It's an easy recipe. It's so easy to remember. That's why I wanted to share it. 7 cups flour and 3 cups of water plus your yeast, salt, and sweetener and a little oil. It's really easy. And then you just let it rise a normal way of bread. And, I knead it for 8 minutes when I mix it. And I just thought I'd share this with you. I hope y'all enjoy. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye bye.